Hello guys, welcome. In this section we are going to talk about write your first Playwright test script. The learning objectives are understand the test structure and create first test, open the website and verify the title and run test and the view report. So let me switch to the VS Code, and here you can see under the test we have already a example test file is there. So first of all we creating a new one. For that, point to the testers and you can see a new file. Click on that and give the name first test dot spec dot js. Here dot spec for understand the test cases under the test files, and dot js for this is JavaScript, so dot js is the extension. So click enter. So you can open the newly created test file here. And next step, we need to import the Playwright jars. For that, declare the annotation for test case test, okay, and equal to require and at Playwright. You can see that suggestion. Click enter. So test annotation is imported in our test case, and for writing test case the method is test. If you import this test, then only you can use this test method. Okay, so test, and within test we need two parts it has, that is first is title of the test case and second one body. In that body we write our test case. Okay, here I verify title, okay, and the body we need to declare the function. Okay, and within the function we define the test case body. So like this, and close this. Okay, and within this body we can write our the test case method. So in order to open the page we need to declare the fixture page, and by entering page dot go to, so it will open the browser and go to the URL. The URL is google.com. I take the example google.com. So it will go to the google.com and verify. Now to verify means assertion. To importing the assertion annotation we need expect in Playwright. So import the expect. For that, after test expect annotation need to import. So yes, we import the expect, then we can write expect. Okay, after importing expect, then only the assertion for expect will be here comes. Okay, work page expect page dot to have title. You can see the suggestion to have title. What is the title? Google. So just in double quotes Google. This is the title, right? You can see the title as Google. Okay, our test case is completed. And one more thing, if you run this it will fail because the JavaScript is asynchronous. So first it will execute this, without loading this it will execute the next time, the rapidly it will execute the next step, so it will fail. So we need to wait the page to load. For that we need to wait in before the page to load. So it will wait after to the page to load, then only the next step will be executed. So we can add this await in both steps. Okay, and if you use await we need to mention the function as async. This is very important. Okay, async we need to write here if you using the await. Okay, auto wait. Okay, then we can optimize by removing this function. okay, and giving as equal to greater than symbol. Okay, so we have optimized the code and save. So our test case is returned. So this is the test case framework, the test, the title, and the body. Okay, so let me quickly run this test. For that, npx playwright test. You want to run this particular test file, that is first test.spec.js. If you run this command, this will execute both the under the test file. You can see two files are there, so all the files will be run. So you want to run this particular file. For that, test, the folder name test bar, and first test.spec.js, then click enter. So by default it is running headless mode, so you can run this is working on Chromium and Firefox and finally WebKit. Three browsers it will open, that means the three browser single test case. So three testers running using three workers. So you can see three passed. In order to get the report, you can copy this command and paste here and click enter. npx playwright show report. So it will give the HTML report to view the result. So I can perform this. So let me wait for that. Yes, it is opening the report, HTML report. You can see this Chromium, Firefox, WebKit. All test cases are passed. Fields are 0, flaky is 0, skipped is 0. This is the HTML report. If you click on this, we can see the details. Okay, and if you want to see it is in headed mode, Control C, so it will give the point to the entry mode, and you can enter the test case. Like if you want to run this in Chromium, you can define --- project is equal to Chromium and headed. Okay, so you can see it will run only on Chromium. So let me check that also. Click enter. So you can see one test case, one worker. You can see it is in headed mode. Yes, it is worked. You can see one test case is passed. Okay, here I mentioned project equal to Chromium because go to the Playwright configuration. You can see the projects. You can see Chromium, Firefox, WebKit. Three browsers are there. So we explicitly here mention only Chromium need to work this test case and in headed mode. Okay, and this is the basic test case we have performed now. So you can see you can check your own web application to start your Playwright test script. Okay, hope you enjoy this section. Thank you for watching and bye.